Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll show you how to design a poster like this. So we start by adding the first image. This is it, the plain window. I unlock its layer. Then I will remove the middle of the image and replace it. I use this tool to delete the middle space. And then right click and I select layer via cut. Then right click and I delete the layer like this. Now we add the replacement image. Here it is. I unlock its layer, then I drag it to the design page. I put it right here, then I make it the bottom layer like this. I move the clouds a little bit like this. And here we are. Now we will add. First I need to adjust the image a little bit. And I will edit the color balance. Then I will add the plain win. This is the win right here. I use this tool to cut the win from this image, and I will move it to the design page. I select the win like this with this tool. Right click and layer via copy to copy the win and place it right here. Now I will make its layer in the middle like this, and I will put the win in here. Now I will delete this part of the win using this tool like this. And delete from the keyboard, and here we are. We still have a little bit on the edge. And here we are. Now we edit the win color balance. And the light levels as well. To make it look like this is the actual plain win. And we adjust the color balance of the window as well. And now I will add the character image. As you see, it's without a background, so I drag it to the design page. I adjust its size. I will reverse it, and I will put it right here. I adjust the character light levels. Then I click OK. And this is the final look of our design. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.